I really love my cats, but honestly, this spring shedding season has really been driving me a little bit crazy. I feel like I comb their fur almost every single day, and yet the hair still seems to end up floating absolutely everywhere. It's on my bed, it's on the sofa, it's on my clothes. I feel like I'm lint rolling every 2 seconds. It's in the air. Sometimes I just get really busy with work and I simply don't have the time to clean and vacuum every day, and that's when I really start sneezing. Plus, my pet loves sleeping right next to me, so my bed sheets end up covered in fur almost every single day. So I've been spending a lot of time lately browsing through posts and videos online, just trying to find what a solution to the problem could be. And eventually I discovered that a lot of pet-owning households were recommending this specific type of pet-friendly air purifier. This HEAPETS unit is supposedly designed specifically for homes with pets, so I've spent the past week putting it through its paces, and today I'm gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of it in this video. This air purifier was super easy to put together. I was able to just take it out of the box, get the wrap off, and then just install the filter inside, plug it in, and it's ready to go. Once I had it plugged in, I was able to play around with the settings and see that you can even adjust the time that you want it to be on, the strength that you want it to be on, which they do recommend putting that up if you're in a multi-pet household or a house that has more pet hair or dander. And there's also several other settings that you can play around with, including a sleep setting that you can put it on. It also operates super quietly, so even if I'm working or doing other activities, I can do that while it's operating. This air purifier also has the option to connect to an app on your phone, which would give you even more options to connect to it remotely. I like to place it right next to my pet's bed or sometimes next to the litter box because it will help with those odors. It doesn't just capture loose fur, it also eliminates odors. The activated carbon filter inside really seems to make a difference when it comes to neutralizing smells, which in a multi-pet household is something I'm always looking for, and it's really hard to overcome. Because I do have multiple cats, I really liked putting this out next to the multiple litter boxes that I have because I do have several and I want to make sure that my home is as odor-free as possible. I could move this around to be next to each of the litter boxes or move it to be in the room where I was working or reading or doing whatever so that I'm able to have a fresher, cleaner air in the room where I'm at. This one features a really cute and compact design. It's only roughly the size of a sheet of A4 paper, but just because it's small doesn't mean it's not capable. It's capable of completely refreshing the air in a large space up to 2,500 square feet every single hour. Plus, the unit features adorable little paw print icons on the body, which I thought was cute for my space. So I think it fits right into a home environment, kind of acting as like a decorative piece rather than just another appliance. This air purifier is different from others that I've seen in the past, specifically because the air intake vent on this one is really massive. It's a unique U-shaped design across both sides and the bottom, and it's actually pretty satisfying to watch. Just look at that. It sucks up the fur so fast. I could just grab chunks of hair and feed it to this thing and it would suck it right up. Normally, all of this loose fur would just be floating around my house, but now it gets pulled straight into the unit. That large intake vent really does make it much better suited for pet-owning households compared to standard air purifiers that maybe are just for collecting debris in the air, but not hair as much. Another feature I really love is the air quality display on the screen. It allows me to monitor changes in air quality and check the real-time PM 2.5 levels at a glance. This gives me great peace of mind knowing that it's actively working and helping to purify the air in my home, especially because I do have pet allergies and I want to do everything that I can to purify the air. This air purifier offers several different modes, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your needs. Most importantly, it features a pet lock function, a brilliant design choice. So even if your cat ends up touching the screen, it's not going to change any of your settings. My cat is pretty mischievous. He treats everything in the house as either a toy or a scratching post or something to rub on, so he always wants to get into that. So I keep the pet lock engaged, and that way even if he accidentally bumps into it and presses a button, it won't interrupt its normal operation. I've had it running continuously for a full week now, and honestly I never expected the filter to capture this much stuff. It's absolutely packed with pet hair, dust, and all sorts of airborne grime and dander. That means that all of these particles would have been floating around in my home's air, landing on our bodies or breathing them in, so now they're all in this filter. Its performance has truly amazed me. After using it for just a week, I've noticed a distinct improvement in the quality of my air, and I feel like my allergies have been less dramatic. The air in my home feels noticeably fresher and cleaner, and for me, this is a truly essential item because I refuse to let having pets compromise my standard of living or the cleanliness of my home. Its filtration system consists of 3 distinct layers designed to progressively filter out pet dander, hair, stubborn odors, dust, smoke, particulate matter. This air filter cleans so efficiently because it uses a 7-stage air purification system that can grab floating hair instead of just resting hair. And the filtration system includes an H13 HEPA filter, bio-enzymes, activated carbon, negative ions, and even a pre-filter to catch larger particles. Plus, you don't need to replace the filters very often. Once every 6 months is plenty. For routine maintenance, you just simply take them out for a quick clean. You can vacuum the filter and they're ready to go again for a long time. You also get the pre-filter replacements that you can put on to catch more of the big debris, and you can just switch that out easily. All in all, friends, while this can't do your actual cleaning for you, so please don't get lazy, it does effectively reduce the amount of pet hair you have floating in the air. If you have long hair pets at home or multiple pets, or you're prone to allergies like I am, I really do think that a dedicated pet air purifier like this is a worthwhile investment. I've included the product link and discount codes below. The price is very reasonable, so if you're interested in giving it a try, go ahead and pick one up. I'm confident it will pleasantly surprise you.